everyone, I'm Val from Mike and Val's Life, and today I am participating in the Christmas Wrap Challenge. This is being co-hosted by Danielle of Danielle's Decor and by Janny of Deco Easy. Now in this challenge you had to use some Christmas wrap, some ribbon, and some embellishments. Now I have gone ahead and actually put the Christmas wrap on my present. And actually this was the second time I've tried to use traditional Christmas wrap, but with my embellishments everything was competing with one another and you couldn't really see anything. It just was a big blur. So what I did, I went and just got some brown paper and I got my stamps and I just stamped. Did that on both sides. And then on the front. Now, I'm going to add the embellishments to it. Okay, now I have already put this together the way that I want it to look, but I am going to show you how I did it. All I did, these are just, you'll see, just some picks that I actually purchased last year after Christmas. And I'm going to just put them together like this. I'm not going to actually do it because I've already got one done, but I'm just going to show you how I did it. And then I just, this was like a bunch, and I just cut them each one individually, and I put 3 on each side. And then I just got zip ties and zip tied them together. So that's why it looks like this. And it does make a little bit of a mess with those little red flowers. That's how I did that. But before I put that on, I'm actually going to put, now here is some just little ears, little reindeer ears I got from Dollar General for $1. I want to put them down. I'm going to actually use zip ties on this. Not zip ties, glue dots. Now I want to just sort of center him right here. And I just want to take these down. Now I am going to, because this is not going to be seen, it's not going to be seen from the bottom. I'm going to use this really strong tape here. Try to keep it down. Now, I'm going to add a funky bow. With this right here, I'm just going to go underneath this right here and connect it. Now, I did make my own funky bow, but I'm not going to do a tutorial on that. But Danielle has a tutorial on how to make a funky bow. So I am going to leave a link to that as well, because she can show you how a lot better, and hers will look a lot better than mine. So that is why I want to do it. Let her do that. She is a co-host. And I'm still taping some of the funky bow down, just make sure it stays good. And the funky bow is going to be the part of the ribbon of the challenge. You had to have ribbon and embellishment. Now, and the next thing I'm going to use is this little nutcracker. And I am going to put him right here on the funky bow. Once again, I am just going to get a blue dot. Oh, Dollar General for $1. Well, he'll just sort of sit like that. And he's actually a place card holder. So all I have to do, and here is my to and from. This is to my mom. I just put to Granny for Mike, Val, Mick, Matthew, and Michelle. And this is the way my present looks now. Hey, I may even get a few of these. Just sort of stick in here. I could put those in a little bit better later, but I just want you to see how my present turned out. Now, I hope you've enjoyed. I hope you like the way that my present turned out. I really had fun participating in this. I want to thank Danielle and Janny one more time. Thank y'all so much for a great challenge. I want to thank each and every one of you for watching. I hope everyone's enjoyed. Merry Christmas, everyone. And may God bless. Bye-bye.